Finding the best resources for your English and performing arts lessons just got easier. Digital Theatre Plus is a powerful tool for connecting your students with key dramatic texts and performance, giving you access to a broad range of resources for the topics you teach. Created with educators for educators, the new Digital Theatre Plus platform has been designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, arranged by titles, genres, themes, or people, making it easy for you and your students to explore relevant and related resources. Fast and reliable, helping you to save time finding everything you need to deliver your lessons. Safe and secure, keeping your school's information as private and protected as possible. You'll also have the option to block content, so you can be confident that your students are accessing the best resources for them. The site is also accessible for those with visual impairments, as well as being fully navigable by keyboard.
Classical texts, how to handle your body, how to handle your voice.
Digital Theatre Plus is available to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device, enabling you to focus on what matters most, helping your students excel in class and beyond.